I am a content creator and business owner of the hair accessories brand Oso, and I recently took a step back from my business due to personal reasons, but this year I will be relaunching the brand. So I just wanted to share with you guys my process on how I'm planning to relaunch, in hopes that it will help you guys with your launch process with your business. Although I'm not 100% sure on what month or date I am going to be relaunching, I do know that I want to be ahead of the game, so I am already starting on the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So the first thing I'm going to change with my business is the packaging. So we have recently rebranded, so we have a new logo which I absolutely love, but the packaging could be way better. So to do that, I plan to reach out to some designers online that are skilled and experienced in packaging design. On Fiverr, I have found some amazing packaging designers. I will put some on the screen right now, but I'm really excited to get speaking to them and go back and forth with my ideas, because I already love the packaging they've done for others. So Fiverr is going to be one of the resources that I will probably use for my small business packaging. I'll leave a link down below to some of the ones I've seen so far. The next step is to have a look at all of my business inventory, what sold well in the past. So that's going to involve a lot of research into what is currently trending within the hair accessories and the curly hair niche, what I may want to add, what I may want to remove, down to customers' history and also personal preference and also business needs, because some products sound good to sell but some of them don't have a great profit margin, so it all depends on what's going to work well to help the business grow. And the last thing I'll be doing in the inventory section is actually working on product development for a new product, which I'm really excited about. I've already got some samples from my manufacturer, and that again is something that I thought of, I've written down on a piece of paper. I have gone back and forth with designs and gone back and forth with the manufacturer. So now it's just finalizing on the final sample and then getting it ready for production. It's also a product that I know my customers want because they have highly requested it in the past. So I'm quite confident that it will sell well to my current customer base and hopefully new customers too. Speaking of customers, I also will be warming up my existing customers, my existing followers, my existing email subscribers, because obviously we've been quiet for a few months now, so it will take a lot of reintroducing and a lot of kind of giving good value and even giveaways and stuff in order to kind of wake them up and remind them about us. We don't want to just relaunch and then launch to cricket. So definitely when you are launching your business, make sure you are warming up to an audience first before you actually launch. I'll also be making sure to share the journey. So I will be sharing the behind the scenes of the launch on YouTube. I'll be sharing it via our emails, via Instagram, and sharing a lot of behind the scenes footage via TikToks and Reels as well. So we'll be taking our customers on the journey with us as we relaunch. Along with nurturing and warming up the customers and the audience we already have, of course we want to generate a new audience. So with that, I will be using my personal brand. So on here on YouTube, I'll be hoping to gather some of you guys watching this that may want to shop with us, may want to follow us, along with using influencers, user generated content and giveaways, which will hopefully get our reach out there to new eyes and new possible customers. Now with my business, we sold to customers, but we also sold to businesses. So once our packaging is ready and our products are ready, I will be again reaching out to our past businesses and also new businesses. The businesses that we sold to were of course like retailers, so hair shops, hair online stores. So I'll be reaching out to all of them with an update on what we're doing, what we're currently selling, our price lists and images of the products that we have and the new packaging. So hopefully that will get us some B2C sales as well, along with our customer sales. The next is the logistics, the behind the scenes, the business, the money side of things. So I've already been looking at the behind the scenes of my business and looking at the finances and how the business is running, what we spend on. And I definitely realized that we were spending a lot on expenses, on different apps, paying staff, paying for things to be outsourced that really and truly could have been done in-house, things that I could even do myself. So moving forward, we will be saving a lot of money on expenses, and also I will have to put my prices up just due to how business is at the moment, how the world is at the moment. The prices will have to go up in order for us to like run our business and actually make a profit. So that's something I've looked into, and I figured out what the prices will be. I'll also have to have a look at what currently is happening within the market. So how much are the Royal Mail prices? I know someone left a comment on a recent video of mine saying that the prices for Royal Mail have got cheaper. I'm not sure if that is true, but I will definitely be doing a lot of research into postage suppliers, how much the costs are for packaging, like the poly bags and the boxes and stuff, and see if there's been a change, an increase or decrease. So that's something that I definitely need to be more aware with in this relaunch process. So next is the content. So I touched on that a little bit earlier, but I do feel like I want to be my own influencer for the brand. So a bit more, you'll be seeing a lot more of me doing tutorials and videos with the products on YouTube, and then also on our own page. That's something that I think will kind of help build my personal brand, help people see who is the face behind the brand, and also help with our expenses, because it was getting very pricey working with a lot of different influencers, and also always paying someone to do the user generated content when I can save by doing some of it myself. So definitely content wise, I will be doing a lot more of it myself. And for the relaunch, I definitely want to do some content around that. So I will be shooting a relaunch video slash kind of like ad. You know, you see like the ads which advertise what's coming up next. So just to build a bit of a buzz, I'll be doing that, making some reels and TikToks. That's something that I'll be working on very soon, just because it may take a while to hire a videographer, hire an editor, and get like a place to shoot everything. So that's something I'll have to start planning ASAP. Now that I have a plan and a game plan on what I need to do, I can put this all together in a document with the list of things that I need to do, like a to-do list, so I can tick off as I go along. Also, I'll put together a small, really short, just business plan, which is more for me to read. I know Canva have some really good templates for that, so I'll probably use Canva and just fill in what I need to actually fill in. It's not a business plan that I'll be giving to others just yet, but it will be one for me to read and just kind of see an overview of the business and what the costs are for everything right now, because things have definitely changed and our prices and costs have changed too. Along with that, I will be creating a spreadsheet which is just focused on my relaunch, and I did share a bit of my behind the scenes of spreadsheets I use for my business in my how I prep for the new year video, and also how I plan my business for the year. So I'll be creating another one like that with a full plan for the relaunch, all the things that need to be done, all the finances, all the kind of people I need to outreach to. That will all go in a separate spreadsheet just so I can manage the whole situation. I hope that video was interesting for you guys and it helps you with your relaunch. I'll of course keep you guys up to date with what's going on and bring you along with me on the journey. Give this video a like and subscribe to help me hit 100k, and I'll see you guys in the next one.